Model, 2020 Ford Fiesta Sport. Genuine low mileage. Spares or repairs needs a clutch. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 35,190. MOT, the 1st of March 2025. Engine, 999 cc 1.0125 PS EcoBoost D1. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The clutch will need replacing, very easy job on one of these. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. You can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 10,450.